How to recover hacked Instagram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search Instagram Recovery. Then, click on icon Login Instagram Help Center. Here, you'll find different options. Scroll down and confirming your identity. And here, click on why you might be asked to upload a video selfie and click on having trouble logging into an Instagram account. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on visit this page. After that, in here, add your username, phone number, or email and press on next, which will lead you to this page. And here, select your account. After you've selected your account, click on the email and press on next. Then confirmation code will be sent to your mail. Go to your mail, copy the code, and paste it in here and press on confirm at the bottom. After you've done that, change your password to secure your account. Change your password and press on submit. Instead of password, you may be asked to add a selfie video as well. If it occurs, what you can do is simply take your phone in selfie mode and simply see right, left, up, and down till it confirms. After that, you can submit and you're good to go. This is how to recover hacked Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.